Hi, this is Aaron with Beds by George, and we're on to step 2 of installing or assembling a rigid side bed from Beds by George. So up at this point, you've already established your corner posts, putting them on the end panels, and created your headboard and your footboard. So the next step is to install the side rails to the corner posts. Now this particular way I have it oriented is one way of doing it. I have it on end, but it really depends on how much space you have, how comfortable you are. Do you have help with a variety of techniques? There's no necessarily one technique that's better than another. It really comes down to a lot of different variables. But for purposes as much of the video as anything else, I'm showing it this way. So after you have it oriented, you're going to take your 5-inch bolts and you're going to put a 9/16 socket on your driver. On the corner post, there's brass cover plates. Spin those out of the way and you'll pass that bolt all the way through the corner post until it comes out the other side, and pass that through the hole at the end of the side rail. Once that's done, you take these square nuts and you're going to put those in that round area that's been routed into that side rail. So I will set that in just like this. I take my driver with the socket and I snug that up. You'll notice that I held the nut with my finger to keep it from spinning. Obviously, you're going to want to do that on both bolts on each side. So at this point, you should have put both side rails onto the bed, and now your side rail is attached to your end panels, your headboard or your footboard, and the bed should be oriented something like this. Once you do that, that concludes step 2 if you're following along in the instructions.